Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to use yarn of 4 colors to make a mobile bag. These are acrylic 4-ply yarns. I am going to use a hook of 2.5 mm, a stitch marker, yarn needle for this project. I completed 28 chains with yarn of color A because I want to make this mobile bag for about 5 inches wide. You can increase or decrease the stitches according to the size you want for your mobile bag. But you have to keep it in mind that these chains would be in even number. So there are 28 chains on my hook. Do the chains in even number. Now chain 1. Into the first chain, single crochet 1, single crochet 2. Into next all the stitches we have to do 1 single crochet across the row. So complete the row following the same pattern by doing single crochet into each stitch, and we will meet again when the row would be completed. When we have completed doing single crochet into each stitch, we did single crochet into last stitch as well. Into the same stitch, single crochet 2, 3 into the same stitch, 4, 5. So we have to do 5 single crochet into the last stitch. Now we have to continue doing single crochet into all the stitches across the row. So complete the row and we will meet again when this row would be completed. When we have completed doing single crochet into each stitch, into the last stitch we already did 2 single crochet, 3, 4, and into the same stitch single crochet 5. Join these stitches on the top of the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3. Skip the 4th chain. Into the next stitch, insert the hook and pull through 1. Into the next stitch, insert the hook and pull through 2. On the top of the next stitch, 3, 4. There are 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 5, pull through. Now into the eye of this star stitch, insert the hook and pull through, flip the work. Into the last loop at the back, insert the hook and pull through, into the same stitch, pull through, into next 2 stitches. Now there are 6 loops on the hook, pull through all the 6, pull through 1. Into the eye of a star stitch, insert the hook and pull through. Into the last loop at the back, insert the hook and pull through. Into the same stitch, pull through. Into next 2 stitches, pull through. There are 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, pull through. Into the eye of a star stitch, pull through. Into the stitch at the back, pull through. Into the same stitch, pull through, into next 2 stitches. Now there are 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, pull through. Follow the same pattern and complete the row across the round, and we will meet again when the round would be completed. When the round is complete, we join the stitches on the top of the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Now chain 2, yarn over, into the eye of each star stitch, half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2. Into the next eye of a star stitch, half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2. Yarn over into the next eye of a star stitch, half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when the round would be completed. When the round is complete, we join the stitch into the second chain where we began the round with slip stitch. chain 1 2 3, into the, skip the first chain, into the next chain, insert the hook and pull through, into the next chain, insert the hook and pull through. Now this is the front loop and this is the back loop. We are going to work into all the back loops in this round. Insert the hook and pull through and insert the hook and pull through. There are 5 loops on the hook. Pull through all the 5, pull through, into the eye of star stitch, pull through 1, into the back loop, flip the work, into the back loop of a star stitch, pull through, into the same stitch, pull through, into the back loop of next 2 stitches, pull through. There are 6 loops on the hook. Pull through all the 6, pull through, into the eye of a star stitch, pull through, into the loop at the back, insert the hook and pull through, into the same loop, pull through, into next 2 loops of next 2 stitches, pull through. There are 6 loops on the hook. Pull through all the 6, pull through. So complete this round, and next round would be of half double crochet into each eye of a star stitch. Keep on repeating these rows to the length you require for the project, and we will meet again when we have got the required length. I completed this phone bag for about 7 inches long. Now we have to begin making flap for the phone bag. So on the top of the front of this phone bag we have to continue the pattern, and I'm going to use yarn of these 3 colors to make the flap. You can make the flap in the same color as well. And I'm going to do 3 rows of star stitch with each color. So complete 9 rows with these 3 colors, and we will meet again when these 9 rows would be completed. When these 9 rows 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 are complete, you see this is the flap for the phone bag, and it is for about 5.5 inches in width and 4 inches long. For the flap we have to do 1 row of a star stitch and chain 2. We have to flip the work for half double crochet. Into each eye of a star stitch we have to do 2 half double crochet. Into the next eye of a star stitch 2 half double crochet. So complete this row, and we will meet again when this row would be completed. When we have completed all these rows for the flap, we have to do single crochet all across this flap for the edging. So complete doing single crochet on all the 3 sides of this flap, and we will meet again when this edging across these 3 sides would be completed. After the edging is complete, I did chain 30 and did star stitch into those chains. Now I am going to sew it on the top of this flap with this ring here. With the help of yarn needle. So complete sewing this on the top of the flap. When we completed sewing this strap, we added tassel and button. And now we are going to make I-cord for the mobile bag. So for this, follow the same pattern in this way. So complete doing I-cord to the length you require for the project, and we will meet again when this phone bag would be ready. The I-cord of my phone bag is for about 100 centimeters long. You can increase or decrease the size according to the use. After this I-cord is complete, I added this edging to the front part of this mobile bag and few beads on the top of this bag. For this edging, we have to do single crochet, chain 3. Join these stitches on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch, 2 single crochet again. On the top of second single crochet, chain 3, join the stitches on the top of the same stitch with slip stitch, 2 single crochet again. In this way, I completed this edging in the front part of this mobile bag and added few beads. This is optional. You can skip if you don't like the pattern. This pattern is easy and works fast. You can make this bag for yourself and for gifting too. Thank you so much.